This video is brought to you by the Shadow Angel Genesis, the South Bend Dart Frog Murders, and the true story of Mrs. Claus. The Shadow Angel Genesis follows the story of Daniel Adrian Angelescu, the Vatican's greatest monster hunter. In the South Bend Dart Frog Murders, the seniors of St. Thomas More High School are all looking forward to their final year. But then the city of South Bend is rocked by a serial killer called the Dart Frog. The true story of Mrs. Claus shines a light on a love story that is well known, but often overlooked. Click the links in the description below to get your copies today. Thank you for your support! Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host, Robert Cantor, and today I've got another Wonka Bar for you. Donkey Kong's Golden Banana Crunch. Now, the original Charlie and the Chocolate Factory was published in 1964, and the original Donkey Kong arcade game wasn't released until 1981. But as Wonka's heir, Charlie would have needed to make some concoctions of his own eventually. The only real hard part with this one was the banana. Too much moisture ruins the chocolate. That's why you also can't use more than 1 teaspoon of coconut cream. I got the best results using the same method that I used for my Elvis bar. Follow these instructions, and in no time at all, you'll have a chocolate bar that no Kong can resist. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, click the links in the description below and buy my books.